gotta hit just to come up on a brick like Craig hit Debo with? How many licks do a nigga gotta hit just to come up on a brick like Craig hit Debo with? Take teamwork the ball, man, somebody set the pick. I come around shooting like Swish, quote this: if I can't make nothing, I'm gon' take something. Feds coming, one of y'all niggas then said something. Long as I remain here, I'm gon' stay thuggin'. Rap don't pay the bills, then I'm gon' stay hustling. 6 million ways to die, choose one. A lot of niggas afraid to die, you won. You got all them guns inside, shoot one. That's the last nigga fall for their life, who won?
Yo, fuck your interview. Hello, buzz you got is political. I knock your pride out. I'm dumbing down still, too lyrical. You're photo bombing, awkward timing. Don't know nobody. Hard to keep up with kings. I showboat probably. Hottest got it from a shattered stage. About to make me a money barricade. Usually rapping Kane, gorgeous boozy bitch that Paris made. My jewelry ain't the average grade. Tune in my movie, got you woozy from my acid phase. Bubbly spilling glasses raised. All them niggas have to pay. Shotty rip your lack away. Sumo when I flat the track. Assume I'm coming back to stack. Booming something black on black. Room to let my Mac adapt. Rooming out my acrobat. Zooming in my habitat. Choosing my accomplishments. Comments full of nonsense, but them fools don't want the consequence. Bruising once my crimes commence. Bermuda trips in my defense. Sharp as the razor that I use to rip your confidence. Your losing's obvious.
Fuck your radio host. Fuck your rap blog. Fuck your favorite rapper and his big bodyguard. Fuck the industry, man. The streets gon' remember me.
Do a nigga